artists. Today, let's bring to life Vineria, the leafy, mysterious character from the Sprunki mod of Incredibox. Grab your pencils and let's create this enchanting figure together. Vineria is a magical blend of nature and rhythm, covered in lush green vines and exuding an otherworldly charm. With delicate leaves and a mesmerizing presence, this character is sure to captivate your creativity. The winding vines on Vineria's body seem to sway gently with the rhythm. If Vineria could sing a song, what kind of melody would it be? Vineria's eyes have opened. I believe she enjoys what she sees. Vineria is a vital part of the Sprunki mod, bringing melody and harmony. Just like vines weave around, Vineria's appearance represents unity and connection. The sounds associated with Vineria often mimic whispers of wind or rustling leaves. Do you think Vineria could make the wind dance with its rhythms? What would that look like? Wow! Our Vineria sketch looks incredible so far. Now, it's time to give those vines some beautiful shades of green and add any magical touches you like. Grab your favorite crayons or markers and bring out her mystical side. Imagine your Vineria for a day. What would you do in a magical forest? That is interesting. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Many believe Vineria has a calming effect in the rhythmic chaos of Sprunki. Vineria inspires players to connect with the earth while embracing unique beats. Its leafy design makes it one of the most artistic and organic-looking characters. Vineria is inspired by the natural beauty of plants, representing life and growth. Does Vineria remind you of any plant or tree near where you live? Vineria's soothing nature and unique design have made it a beloved character among Incredibox enthusiasts. If you could add a flower to Vineria's vines, what kind would you choose? That's wonderful! And there you have it. Our very own Vineria. She looks stunning, and I can almost feel the magic. Keep drawing, and I'll see you next time for another artistic adventure.